Today's video has a great topic to discuss that's been buzzing around the health community lately. Did you know combining two powerful ingredients, olive oil and turmeric, can do wonders for your health? That's right! In this video, we will explore the remarkable benefits of olive oil with turmeric. Trust me, you'll be amazed by what they can do for your health. Before we dive into the main content, let's quickly talk about these two fantastic ingredients. First up, we have olive oil, often called liquid gold. Olive oil has been treasured for centuries, not just for its amazing taste, but also for its health benefits. This incredible oil is loaded with monounsaturated fats, which are considered heart-healthy fats. It helps maintain a healthy cholesterol balance and can reduce the risk of heart disease. But that's not all. Olive oil is also packed with antioxidants that fight against harmful free radicals, supporting overall well-being. Now, let's talk about the vibrant spice known as turmeric. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which is responsible for its impressive health benefits. Curcumin is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant agent that has been studied for its potential to fight chronic diseases. It may help alleviate joint pain, boost brain function, support a healthy immune system, and promote radiant skin. Turmeric truly is a powerhouse of wellness. Now, imagine the powerhouse benefits that can arise when these two great ingredients come together. So, let's jump right into the benefits of olive oil with turmeric. When olive oil and turmeric are combined, something magical happens. The bioavailability of curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, increases significantly when consumed with healthy fats like those found in olive oil. This means your body can absorb and utilize curcumin more effectively, maximizing its benefits. Olive oil acts as a carrier, helping curcumin reach its full potential and unlocking a whole new level of wellness. So, what exactly are the benefits of incorporating olive oil with turmeric into your daily routine? Let's take a look. Benefit number 1, enhanced nutrient absorption. Did you know that turmeric's active compound, curcumin, is fat-soluble? This means that consuming turmeric with a healthy fat like olive oil can significantly improve its absorption by your body. Olive oil acts as a vehicle, allowing your system to maximize turmeric's incredible properties. So, the next time you're cooking a delicious curry or stir-fry, consider adding some olive oil to maximize your body's absorption of turmeric's goodness. Benefit number 2, anti-inflammatory powerhouse. As we mentioned earlier, both olive oil and turmeric possess potent anti-inflammatory properties. Combining these two ingredients can create a supercharged anti-inflammatory effect within your body. Inflammation is linked to various chronic diseases, so incorporating olive oil with turmeric in your diet may help reduce inflammation, supporting your overall well-being. Benefit number 3, antioxidant boost. Olive oil and turmeric are known for their impressive antioxidant content. These antioxidants help combat free radicals, which can damage cells and contribute to aging and diseases. By combining olive oil and turmeric, you're providing your body with a double dose of antioxidants, creating a powerful shield against oxidative stress. Benefit number 4, brain health support. Did you know that olive oil and turmeric are associated with brain health benefits? The healthy fats in olive oil, along with the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of turmeric, may help protect your brain against age-related cognitive decline. So, including olive oil with turmeric in your diet might be an excellent choice for maintaining a sharp and healthy mind. Benefit number 5, skin and beauty boost. Who doesn't want glowing skin and luscious hair? Well, the combination of olive oil and turmeric might be your secret weapon. Olive oil's moisturizing properties, when combined with turmeric's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, can promote healthy skin, fight acne, and even stimulate hair growth. It's a natural beauty duo that's worth giving a try. Viewers, these are the incredible benefits of olive oil with turmeric. Whether you want to improve your cardiovascular health, reduce inflammation, boost brain function, or enhance your skin and hair, this dynamic duo has covered you. Remember, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional or a nutritionist before making any significant changes to your diet. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button and comment below to share your thoughts and experiences with this incredible duo. Take care, stay healthy, and we'll catch you in the next video. Bye!